Hey guys, my name is James Simpson. I'm a product manager for eVolve Mechanical. And if you've downloaded 4.0 for eVolve, you're going to notice if you have rules within the material configuration in your hanger specifications, that you're actually going to get this prompt here, essentially saying that we're actually ending that material configuration in coming releases, and that all of those material specific rules can now be satisfied using the any option under the service configuration. So just to kind of show you what I mean there, for this material rule here, this duct oval aluminum rule, I actually can get that same functionality now with some of the features we've added in 4.0 through making a any service rule, specifying that material as aluminum, and then making my duct oval type. I'll just kind of finish filling this rule out here just to show that user interface. So once that's made, it's going to have our any service and our material of aluminum for duct oval. So just going back, we still need to convert over those existing rules, and we've actually provided a PowerShell script to do this located in our resources folder at that path there. But the first thing we need to do is actually export these rules to a hanger configuration file that's going to be on our desktop. It does have to be named that, and it does have to be on the desktop. So once that's done, we need to go to that resources folder that once again we're specifying right there in that dialog, which is just a 2021 eVolve resources folder. So just to kind of break that down, that's actually going to be under obviously your C drive, program files, eVolve, eVolve Mechanical for Revit 2021, resources, and down at the bottom you're going to see this PowerShell script. So if you right click and run that, it's just going to kind of give you a quick summary of what it's going to do and let you know it's looking for that hanger configuration name. And on your desktop, it's actually going to save it as hanger configuration -service for service rules. So you'll see I ran that and actually completed, and it did save it as hanger configuration service, and that I need to import that in. So if I go back over to my hanger specifications, import from file, and choose that other file that it made, that -service file, and then just import that in. And then open the specifications again. You're going to see all those rules have been converted over to those service rules. And once again, they're under the any tab, and you'll see they're all there, including that test one that I made. So it does retain all that information. So that's how to both make those new rules, right, and convert over those existing rules and those configurations. Then, of course, if you have standardized rules, you can save this as your default, and that's going to allow you to make this just a one-time process potentially. But if you do have differences, you will have to do this across multiple projects. So thanks, guys, and I hope this helps.